Welcome to the welding program at GCTC, where we ignite the flames of your welding career. In our program, students delve into multiple welding processes in various positions and procedures. It's not just about certificates, it's about hands-on experience. Our mission is clear: to provide students with the comprehensive knowledge and practical skills needed to excel in the field of welding. We're here to meet the high demand for skilled welders in the industry. What sets us apart is the variety of certifications our students can attain here at Green Country. Welding isn't just a job, it's a career with limitless potential, and we're here to help you realize your dreams. If you're ready to forge a path in welding, the welding program at GCTC is your gateway to a promising future. Join us and become part of a community dedicated to excellence. To explore more about our program, visit gctcok.edu. Your journey in welding starts here. GCTC, go green.